Hey, I'm Alan Brito, I'm an architect, and if you are trying to use Blender to create something like an interior design visualization, you will need furniture models. And in this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to use one of the best add-ons to bring furniture data or furniture models into Blender. It's this add-on right here. It's the IKEA browser. It's a free add-on. It's part of the Blender extensions repository, and it's really simple to use. So let's take a look on how to use it first. Is it bringing data from IKEA? How is that possible? Well, if you open the IKEA website, you will see that they have a 3D visualization for some of their furniture pieces, like this chair here. If you click in this view in 3D, it will open a 3D visualization of your models. From my understanding, the add-on is pulling this exact model here to Blender with textures and everything. So let's take a look on how it works. First, we need to install the add-on. Go to the Edit, Preferences, and here under the Get Extensions, you will type IKEA like I did here, and just hit the Install button, and it will install the add-on. Now, if you open your 3D viewport sidebar, you will see a new tab here called IKEA, and just type the name of the furniture piece that you want. For instance, I want to bring this for this chair here. Let me do a Control C, Control V, try to search for it, and here we have it. If you hit the import button, it will bring the furniture model, and as you can notice here, it's with textures. Is it using the correct dimensions? Let's take a look. Item, and here under the dimensions, yeah, it seems to be using the correct dimensions for this object, for this chair. And you can search for lots of other things. Let's get a table. Let me type table here, and it will go into the IKEA website. And it just listed to me a few options for tables. Let's get this one here. First, I will move this chair here to the back, and I will import this table model. It will pull the data, and here we have it. I now have one chair, and they don't really match, but you get the idea. You can now start building an entire scene using IKEA furniture, and the best part, it's completely free. So all we have to do is install this add-on. And by the way, if you want to improve or get even more of those models, if you want to bypass Blender, someone made a script where you can download those models directly from the IKEA website. I will leave a link to this script in case you want to try it. So it's open source, and you can grab the 3D models straight from the IKEA website. And this is it. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you want to go beyond the basics with Blender for Architecture, I want to announce that I just released a brand new workshop. This is a 7-hour workshop for people that do not have any previous experience with Blender, or people that want to start using Blender for something different, something like 2D drafting. I know it sounds crazy, and it is. Let me show you the final result of one of the exercises that we'll develop in this workshop. And as you can see here, we have a 2D drafting of a floor plan. We have dimension lines, architectural symbols. I will insert AutoCAD blocks here. You can see that we have an AutoCAD block there. Title block, and this is to scale. I'm using 2 scales that are ready to print in this exercise. So if you want to join me in this course, I will leave links in the description. And by the way, besides this workshop, I just finished updating 2 of my books. They are already compatible or fully updated to Blender 5.1. Links in the description, and all of the translations for the books are also available with updates. So this is it. I hope you liked this tutorial again. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future tutorials. See you next time. Bye.